Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to invite friends in Township. To invite friends to play in and join you in Township, first of all, open up the Township application and make sure that you're signed in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the bottom left corner, which is indicated by 2 humans. Now you will see this Friends option from where you'll need to tap on Invite Friends at the bottom. You can go ahead and invite your friends, sharing your invitation code so that they can join you into the game. To share your code, simply tap on the Facebook logo or the @ logo and you will see an invitation generated and pasted. You can now go ahead and enter the name of the contact you are trying to invite to the game. After you do that, you can send in the message to them by tapping the send button. You can also invite your friends via Facebook. Simply tap the Facebook logo, sign into your Facebook account by entering your credentials, and then after you are logged into Facebook, you can invite your Facebook friends from there as well. If you've got your friend's invitation code, you can go ahead and tap on the enter button and enter your friend's invitation code so that you can add them as your neighbor in the game. And those were some of the ways you can easily invite friends on Township. You can also go to the Find Friends tab inside the Friends tab and look for the people that you'd like to invite and tap the invite button so that they can be your neighbor. And that's how you can easily invite friends to join in with you on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.